Hi everyone, welcome to the Knitting Turnpike. Welcome to the Knitting Turnpike. My name is Gina Pike. I'm so happy that you're here today. Today we're going to be doing a tutorial video. I just finished one of my lacy crescent shaped shawls, and it ended most of them end in a Picot bind off, and I have not shown you guys how to do that formally. I think I've shown you a few times in a video how to do it, but I did a tutorial video that I'm going to show you how to do. So let's just get into it. It's a video clip of my hands, and I hope you enjoy this. Okay everybody, you know I've been working on the Moonflower Shawl. That's part of it. And I'm to the part where I'm binding off. This has been the edge of it, and it's so beautiful. It's got so many beads. This last row is just beads. Like every other stitch almost had a bead. It's just, ugh. Anyway, it's a Picot bind off. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to knit 3 stitches to it, do an increase. Maybe I need a white background. That might be easier to see with this yarn being brown and the couch being brown. So you do a knitted cast on for 3 stitches. Alright, there we go. There's those. And those 3 stitches are going to make the little blip, and then you have like 3 stitches in between each one of these little blips. So you knit 3, cast off 6. So when you cast off, you just take the yarn, that stitch over the other stitch like that. So that's 1, 2, 3. Now we're to the point where we're doing the part in between the blips. 4, 5, and I'm knitting those stitches, and then after I knit them, it goes to the right needle, and then you just take the previous stitch over the stitch you just knitted. So now that I've knitted cast off 6, you put that back onto your left hand needle. You do a knitted cast on for 3 stitches. And then you cast off 6. One, and if you want to make these really tight picots, do it more at the edge of your needles. 2, like this part down in here, instead of up on the needle like I am. Do it more at the tips of your needles, and then the picots will be nice and uniform and smaller. That's 3. So now we'll do these 3 stitches. Grabbing against this wood is not the easiest thing, but I do it. I think it's easier than dealing with another needle with a cord. 2, 3, and there you go. That's for that one. That's what it looks like. And again, these will block out nice and neat. You put that onto your left hand needle, cast on 3 stitches, and start over again and go all the way to the end of your shawl. At the end, I think you cast on 3 and cast off 4. I think that's how the math turns out. But 1, 2, 3. Oops, I did one too many. If you do one too many like I just did because I was talking, you just didn't do it like that. And there you go. Ready to start again. And then again, this is what they're going to look like. And I don't really care if they're all the same size. As you can see, that one's kind of bigger than that one. But if you're really worried about them being exactly the same size, like I said, you can work it more on the tips of your needles and it'll turn out like that. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have any questions or comments, please put it down below. If you like this video, I would really appreciate it if you gave it a thumbs up. If you are new here, we do talk about knitting and crochet and yarn and all that entails. We'd love to have you join us. Thank you to my subscribers who are here all the time supporting me, watching my videos. I appreciate and love each and every one of you. I hope you all have a wonderful day and take care. See you all real soon.